SERV stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at SERV, or just SERV Robotics stock. In this, we are almost like 1/4 billion, before a billion, and it's actually quite exciting. But like, I'm not even just looking at the market cap. Look at the technicals day itself. This will honestly just need to, I mean, I already talked about this just recently. I got a break-even point here, but it's still a pretty decent bullish range. Like, you have to understand that ultimately this is what's holding the price up. So as many times as we tap it, it's still an opportunity to take it up, as long as the price shows me signs that it wants to go up. And how is it going to do that? By giving me my confirmation. And obviously I'm going to, unless my confirmation is met, I'm just not going to be a part of this movement. And that's about it. So if you're confused or anything, comment below. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.